found some handcuffs.
Oh boy. Just arrived here in Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Right now we are about to go and dive in the Wisconsin River. We got Jason here with me today. Probably gonna find a lot of trash down here.
See a lure right there flashing on the bottom.
Might be a musky lure too. Got some garbage right here. Gonna grab this right away. Head in, $15.
Just describe what we're smelling right now. It does not smell good in here. It smells kind of sulfury. The water visibility is about 2.5 feet, so that's good. A little bit of current, as you can see, which isn't bad. Used to that.
Smells like a dirty diaper down there.
Got the dive flag up. Musky lure, first find, a booger tail. Nice, hook's gone. Get this line out too. Get it. Big pipe here, bungee strap. See if you can keep this on here somehow. There we go. Jason's about to find that lure. Oh, it's a ribbon with the utility marker. Now there is rebar in here, I can see it. You gotta be really careful. Alright, a couple more fishing lures. A pill bottle with something inside of it here. Yeah, oh, there's a bunch of lead in here. That tire's staying there. Yeah, I got a tire. I can't get it out though.
I got half a tire.
Oh, it'd be right there. I just found some handcuffs.
Oh boy.
Him's handcuffs. Oh, nice.
Somebody broke their kid.
These are real ones too. I have some just like them.
Them are the ones that don't have the chain, you can't break them.
Yeah. I got lines stuck on here.
Yeah, bought a couple lures.
I can find like 5 or 6 so far. On the basketball card, DeAndre Ayton from the Suns. Got all this stuff I gotta dump out. I'm walking backwards, just gotta be careful for sharp rebar. Musky lure, eh? Nice.
CD, Julio CD.
Coolio. She's getting kind of dark under here. I think I just don't want to suit this way yet. Oh yeah. I gotta get way over there now. Rebar or what?
Rebar, pipe, everything.
Yeah, you gotta let your eyes focus a little bit. The current's not so bad over here. I mean, except right there, but. Nice, look at that. You fit that on there too? Line cutters to the rescue. Got it. Look at this. Alright, got a solution here. Gotta keep this from hitting. Wisconsin River. Pretty neat. Well, there's an insulator. There's a pneumatic gun, I think. Here's a pneumatic one. Drill or something. Huh. Look at all that, pretty neat. Got a bike and some stuff over here, but I gotta bring the kayak over. There's about 5 more of these right down here. Rotors. Over there, right past that beam, out about 10 feet.
There's a deep hole right there. It goes down a little deeper.
There's a sign right here. What's that? Speaker. Did you see my post on Facebook or what? Yeah. What's your name? Brandon? Cool, man. Thanks for coming out.
Semi-rim.
Oh, man. Oh, cool. Where are you getting at in the kayak?
I know, but it's free. I dug it out. I could see about this much of it all the way around.
That thing's freaking heavy.
I know it is.
I'm gonna bring this over, get that bike, and then I'm gonna have to start heading back upriver. Get it? I gotta untangle myself. It's right here, but I gotta see what's going on here. You got it? Here, we got a chunk. Teamwork!
I've been in there for a while.
Oh yeah. Oh, flashlight. Don't work no more. Maybe part of the light or something. It's got a little like dolphin design on it. Pretty neat. Little bat. Time to get that way. Your finger's getting too heavy. I'll set the weight a little bit if I can.
Drop.
Nice.
That's what the little phone do.
Oh.
The little kid cell phone, little plastic flip phone.
You know,
It's cute.
it's starting to tip this way, so we want to put stuff on the other side if we can. A lot of brake parts. Yeah, this water stinks. I gotta get out of it. We got a lot of garbage pulled out of the river here. Let's check it out. There's one bike frame right there. We just pull up over there.
We got a bike on here, road barricade, drums, rim there, bunch of stuff. We have to pull it out of here, tire. Once we get it all out, you'll be able to see more. We are gonna take all this junk and set it up here. Big old chunk of metal, huge. Jason pulled that out by himself. So this is all the metal that we pull out of the river. Road sign, bike, tires, rubber in there. All this stuff here, all this is cans, glass, and just other random junk. Filled all the way up. So there's all that stuff. One of my first finds ever, some handcuffs, and these things are the real ones. Pretty cool, hinged. I got a real pair like that at home also. On this little fake cell phone here, flip phone, another cell phone, speaker box. Found a pill container with lead weights in it. Found a CD Jason did from Coolio. Gangsta's Paradise. Might have to listen to that on the way home. A couple vapes. This other thing here must be part of a lighter or something. Dice, got a lock, flashlight, bunch of lures, bunch of musky lures in there. Bottom part of a golf club, scissors, little card there, got a tape measure, a couple USB cords here, headphones, some glass right here, and whatever cap that was for. Had an awesome dive today. Even had a couple visitors stop by. And what was your name again? Drew. Drew. He stopped by to say hi, and he's actually from Marinette, right? Or your dad is?
Dad is.
Dad is. So he fishes all the spots that we dive in Marinette, and he also fishes down this area, down the river by the dam. You have fun in there?
Yeah.
You smell like the river, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's sticky.
You smell worse than a walleye, I know that.